Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia Platinum Vision. It was brought in because coffee was leaking, and in the situation we found that it was a bad O-ring, so we perform a tune-up, deep cleaning the machine, replacing gaskets, lubricating all of the parts, running a D-scale through the boiler. And now here it is, good to go, and we'll test some of the functions. We'll start with hot water and steam. Yep, there we go. Alright, so select here, and then we'll choose hot water, and then turn the steam wand. Alright, now we can see hot water delivery. Turn the steam wand off. Now we'll switch to steam. Turn the wand on again. Let water exit the wand. We'll just take a second for the steam to kick in. There it goes. There we go. Steam is added. Alright, we'll exit the menu, and now we'll pull a shot. Beautiful. Alright, beautiful shot. And let's finish. Take a peek at the inside. There we go. And no coffee leaking on the inside. Alright. Good. Thanks for tuning in with us at Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.